Okay, so it's all dry, and I used a heat gun to dry it, but you can just take your time. Okay, I got my music up a little too loud. So let's take off the tape. Actually, you know what would be a good idea? Let's go ahead and let's put in a little blue sky. A kind of a very soft blue with a little bit of purple in it, like this. That way, when I do take the tape off, you can see something. So I'm going to put a little more snow in here, and we will dry that again. All right, it's dry. Now I can take my tape off, and you can see that there's a difference in the tree with the white on it. These will be our birch trees, and then the background, so you can see where to go. Then I'm going to be using my plastic part of my Bank of America card, and I'm going to get some black, and I'm going to use quite a lot of black here. I'm going to get thick black. I don't usually use this thick of paint, but I'm doing that this time. So we went from a very soft color to a very dark color. Then I'm going to use my card, and I will run it across the paint like that. And then I will come over in here and create my beautiful birch trees. Now, to get a different look, you can turn it this way also. And you can maybe go more than one time. This. It's made a really nice birch tree. And then in the back, this is a little bit smaller, and you can do some more spacing if you want. Maybe leave a bigger space. Super easy to do birch trees. And this kind of got chunky over here, so I'm just going to make a branch. Branches always are up high. And you can get some nice little branches like this. Just move the paint across like so. And then you can get some tiny little branches. And you can also get some grasses below if you want. Here's the bottom. Try to make them different. Maybe that'll go on top like that. There we go. Ooh, and you could even have a little bird in the sky. And maybe another one down there, further away. So that completes our beautiful birch tree card.